Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a summary video. First, let's talk about planning. Before you even think about recording, clearly define your video's purpose and who you're making it for. Then, dive into your source material and pinpoint the 3 to 5 most crucial points. These will form the backbone of your summary. Finally, craft a detailed outline, aiming for about 15 to 30 seconds of video time for each main point. This structured approach ensures a clear and concise message. Now, let's move on to scripting and storyboarding. A well-written script is essential for a smooth summary video. Aim for a concise script, where every single sentence adds value and moves your summary forward. A good rule of thumb is to have about 100 to 150 words for every minute of video you plan to create. Don't forget to create a simple storyboard. It helps you visualize your key scenes and how they'll transition, making the editing process much easier. With your script ready, it's time to record and add visuals. Find a quiet space to record your narration, ensuring your voice is clear and easy to understand. Next, think about your visuals. Incorporate relevant images, charts, or short video clips that directly support what you're saying. These visual aids are incredibly powerful for reinforcing your message and helping your audience grasp complex ideas quickly. Remember, visuals should always enhance, not distract from, your core summary. Finally, we come to editing and refinement, which is where your summary truly shines. Carefully edit your video to cut out any awkward pauses, mistakes, or content that doesn't serve your main purpose. Consider adding some subtle background music. Keep it at a low volume so it sets the mood without overpowering your narration. Before you finalize, watch your entire summary video through at least 2 or 3 times to ensure it flows seamlessly and effectively conveys your message.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.